Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarr or RockStarrFX, back with another video for you guys. We're kind of in a different environment, as some of y'all may or may not know by some of my recent posts. We're out right now in the Poconos Mountains for a few days with the family, just hanging out and enjoying the time here. But I'm sitting in a car, I'm waiting for the ladies to come back from their shopping. Little man is knocked out in the back, and I said, this is the perfect time. I'm bored. I might as well pump out a quick intro for the RockStarr fam and talk about the next video that we're going to be doing. So in this video, we are going to be discussing the 5 different types of order executions on MetaTrader 4. So in my previous video, I know we went over the MetaTrader 4 basics, and a lot of you guys are familiar with MetaTrader 4, but you don't really understand all of its features just yet, like market executions and the 4 different pending orders. Now, a lot of you, when you're placing your trades, you're just hitting market execution, not really understanding the importance of what the pending orders are. But we're going to be talking about not only understanding the pending orders, but how you can use the pending orders to kind of automate your trading so that you're not sitting in front of the computer all day, every day, waiting for setups. You can let MetaTrader 4 know exactly when to put you into the markets, and it will do it automatically. So as always, guys, sit back, relax, drop a thumbs up, and enjoy the video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so jumping straight into it, as I mentioned before, we're going to be doing another MetaTrader 4 video here, kind of just a little tutorial on how to use the app, but more importantly, how to place your trades, okay, and understanding the 5 different order types. So if you guys haven't done so already, I would highly advise you going ahead and checking out one of my previous MetaTrader 4 walkthroughs. In fact, I just did one 2 days ago, so I'm going to put a card right here on the screen. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you check that out first and then come back to this video after. But if you've already know how to use MetaTrader 4, you kind of already got the basics down, then we can jump straight into this video. Now, markets just opened today. Today is Sunday, so it's 8:30 Eastern Standard Time right now. So we are looking good to go ahead and start placing some trades. As you can see, the market is moving. So what you're going to want to do is very simple. Go to one of the currency pairs. Let's just say we click USD JPY right here on the top. You're going to go ahead and you can hit that trade button. And this is where a lot of people get stumped. So as we can see, at the very top, underneath the currency pair itself, there is a button right here. A lot of people don't even know that this is a button, but this right here where it says instant execution, that is clickable. This is going to be your order type, all right? So once you click instant execution, to kind of just break down the 5 different order types, as simple as I can possibly break them down, it's very clear. If you're doing an instant execution trade, and I'm going to be putting examples on the screen as well as I go through these to give you more of a visual, but if you're doing an instant execution trade, what you're pretty much telling the market is that you want to get into the trade right now at the current price. So whether it be a buy or whether it be a sell, all right, that's obviously dependent on your analysis and where you believe the market is going to go. But what an instant execution is getting in instantly, right? Pretty self-explanatory. Now, depending on what device you're on, especially if you're on an iPhone versus like an Android, it might not say instant execution. It might say something else. It might say market execution or something like that. But all in all, it is the same exact thing. Instant execution means we're getting in right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place a sell for the market just to show you. It instantly opened that trade up. All right, it instantly opened it up. So this is the one we just opened up now. This is the sell that I never closed out. But this is the buy that we opened up on the last tutorial video. As you can see, we are heavy in the negative, right? But that's instantly right now. Now, let's just say I didn't want to get in right now. Let's say I'm getting ready for work. I know I can't be on the charts all day, but I do believe that if the market were to push up to a certain price, right? It's going to push up to a certain price and then come back down before it makes that move. Well, there are actually what's called pending orders, and you can place pending orders. The purpose of pending orders are to be able to set up the market, to set up your trade so that you don't have to watch it all the time. You may believe that the market is going to do a specific movement before it goes into the direction. So for example, let's go ahead and head back to the trade button. We're going to click this. The first one here is buy limit. So what buy limits are is very simple. A buy limit is pretty much saying that I want to get into the market for a buy, right? I want to get into the market for a buy, but I do believe that the market is going to push down a little bit more, is going to come down to a specific price. So let's go ahead and blow this up on the charts. and it's going to come down to a specific price before it makes its way back up. So it's kind of like pushing down, hitting a level of, let's just say, support, if you're familiar with support and resistance. So coming down, hitting a level of support, and then bouncing its way back up, and that's where the buy limit is going to enter us into the trade. So if I would have set a buy limit right here at this specific price, what I'm pretty much saying is, okay, cool, I want to get in right here at this price. Now the market isn't here yet, but if the market were to drop down to this price point, hit this price point and pass it, maybe it passes it a little bit, but hit the price point and then come back up above my buy limit, then I want you to place me into the markets. I want you to start or execute that trade for me. That is what a buy limit is. Now, hopefully the visuals on the screen make it a little bit more easier for you to understand exactly what it is that I'm saying here. But once again, buy limits are the markets are above your entry price. You want the market to come down, touch your entry price, but use that entry price as a level to bounce off of and then continue to go up. That bottom point is where MT4 is going to automatically put you into the trade for the buy limit. Now, on the opposite side of that, you have the sell limit feature. So if we're going ahead and we're clicking the sell limit button right there, what sell limits are, very simple, it's the opposite of a buy limit. So sell limits are the market right now is below our actual price. So markets might be right here, okay? Markets are here. And what we're doing is we're placing a sell limit above where the markets are at because we think, hey, the markets are going to come down, but I think they're going to retrace up a little bit. I think they're going to push up, hit this specific price, and if it hits to this price, it's an overbought market. This is a level of resistance. We're going to go ahead and execute a sell. So that's what a sell limit is. Now, if you guys have previously watched like one of my strategies videos, like the teacup, for example, the teacup strategy right now is a strategy that's booming. Here on my YouTube page, also is one of the top strategies in our academy. We actually have an app that you can download and receive teacup trade ideas, right? So we do the markups and everything for you, and we send you teacup trades, and you just look at it and place the trade. But it's booming right now. If you are familiar with the teacup strategy, you know with teacups we are placing sell limits, right? So we usually place the sell limit above where the markets are at right now in the hopes that the markets are going to swing back up, hit our sell limit, and then drop back down. That's where we're going to place our take profit. Obviously, it's going to be under the sell limit. But as long as we place the sell limit, it's a set it and forget it kind of trade. Whereas we don't have to be literally staring at our phone all day. We can just hit the sell limit button at a certain price. And whether we're at work, whether we're at the gym, whether we're spending time with the family, as long as price comes up to the sell limit that we placed, MT4 will automatically put us into that trade and we don't have to worry about anything. Super clean. Now, aside from obviously the instant execution and the limit orders, you actually have the stop orders as well. So you have the buy stop and the sell stop. Now, the buy stop is actually really simple. What the buy stop is pretty much saying is market right now, we're looking to enter into buys, okay? We're looking to enter into buys. If the market continues to push up, right? So the markets are below our entry price. If they continue to push up and they somehow surpass my buy stop, well, as soon as the market touches and passes our buy stop, it'll automatically put us into the trade. So as soon as it touches the buy stop, boom, passes it, it puts us into the trade automatically. Sell stop is the exact opposite. See, when we're placing a sell stop, we know the markets are coming down. They're not all the way down yet, but if they hit this level, I believe that it's going to break out of this zone and it's going to continue to drop. So if they hit this level, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place a sell stop ahead of time. And as the markets start to come down, I can put my phone away. My sell stop is placed. As the markets start to come down, as soon as it touches my sell stop and goes past it, MT4 is going to automatically open and execute that trade for a sell. So hopefully all 5 order types made sense to you all. This was a very simple, straight to the point video. It wasn't meant to take up a lot of your time, but to educate you on what exactly these features are and how you can begin using them to automate your trades and making your trading life so much easier than it probably already is. So as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, because you're not going to want to miss another RockStarr upload. You already know the vibes. It's your boy Rico, aka RockStarr or RockStarrFX. I'll catch y'all in tomorrow's upload. I'm out. Peace. Feel just like a rock star.